Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Another sofa set, teak wood, ivory paint, and it's a big concept set I am showing you. See, when you have a different kind of space in your living room, then we think about a different setup. Here, what I'm showing you is a seven-seater sofa along with two high back chairs, and it has got a nice table and two side tables also. Table I'll show you in the later part of the video. First, let's talk about the set we have here and why we have set up like this. When we have a big living room and we are thinking to put a seven-seater or a 10-seater sofa, generally a three-seater is always preferred. And we can, if the wall is bigger, we can go for a bigger sofa also, a four-seater or five-seater. But honestly telling you, four-seaters and five-seaters, a bigger set, are difficult to transport, difficult to carry inside the home. And if you change the setup somehow or you're taking to a different room, probably that will not fit in that space. Three-seaters are regular sizes, so they can fit in every space most of the time. We do not prefer or advise our clients to go for very big units because setting them up is a task in itself. I'll share a recent example. What happened is a client got a five-seater sofa, big one, a big unit made for him, and we've asked him about the sizes, whether he wants that size. Finally, what happened is due to the length of the unit, it was very difficult to move inside the house and turn it in the stairs. It got quite difficult. And these things are practical. It happens sometimes. So we advise for a three-seater. What's the alternate in that case? Two chairs on both sides. And if we get something like a high back chair, it gives a different look to the set. High back chairs are also preferred because that gives a different seating space. So like you have someone special or a elder of the family or someone who you want to sit separately, kind of in a nice place or a special place, a high back chair like this can be considered. The set is entirely is the client's choice. It's a double carved set, and the fabric is supplied by the client himself. He liked something, he sent it, we used it, and finally we got this setup done. This is in teak wood, one of the heaviest worked sets we have. The working, the carving that you see here is the heavy carving, and it's in double carved, so front and back both sides carving in the unit. I've shown you similar unit earlier in teak finish, and I've shown you similar design in single carving also, but this the first time I'm showing you in ivory paint, or we can call it off-white paint also. Now let's talk about the three-seater here. The three-seater size out and out is 7 feet. Our regular three-seater is 6.5 feet. This one is 6 inches bigger than that because it's a heavier set, so we need more space to get the design complete. The height of the back is 54 inches, 4.5 feet, again around 6 inches taller than the regular units. Regular units are around 4 feet high. This is 54, 4.5 feet. Front to back, this is 32 inches, 2 inches more than 2.5 feet. Our regular units are around 28, so it's a little bigger than the regular sofa set. Wide, spacious, heavy looking, double carved in teak wood and ivory painted. Along with this, we have a two-seater. Out and out size is 64 inches, height is 54, front to back 32, and a two-seater unit, similar design and double carving. Double carving I'll show you later in later part of the video. How does it look? Does it work? I'll explain that too. Then we have two chairs in the similar concept, double carved. The out and out size is 42 inches. This is again 6 inches bigger than our regular chair size. Nice big spacious chair to sit on, and again heavy and double carved. The leg work you see, the front work and the Taj work, everywhere you see, you will find very heavy hand carving as we do in most of our sets. The single chair is 5 feet high. The back height is 5 feet. Front to back again this is 32, and left to right this is 36 inches, 3 feet wide. Nice big spacious chair, and again a Maharaja look that we love in our sets. This concept is quite liked these days, a single chair with high back, and this can also work as a room chair if you like, along with a bed. You can get two chairs like this in the room, and it gives a nice concept again. How to set up the unit? You want the chairs to go that side, or you want the two-seater to go this side, that is your choice. But again, as I mentioned, the dimensions of each unit, accordingly you can calculate how much space you require to put the set. The entire setup is as per client's choice. Why I'm saying so is because when you visit a nearest showroom, what you get there is 10, 20, 30 sets sitting there in particular design, setups, colors and fabrics. You go there, you choose one and you get it at your home. Here at Arson, what we do is we make it as per your choice. So if you require a single chair, we'll provide a single chair. If you require a big setup, 10-seater, 15-seater, 12-seater, anyways you want, we'll make that. You want it off-white, we provide that. You want it polished, we provide that. You want it with highlighting, we can do that. You want two chairs, two tables, any setup, any color, and fabrics again. Fabric is the most important part of any furniture item that has got a fabric choice. Every interior has got different look. Every person has got a different choice. I may like the pink color, you may not. And two people do not like the same thing. That's not the case always. So what I may like, I may provide, you may not like it. So we can provide the fabric color of your choice as per availability in the market. Normally, the fabric that we use is up to 500 rupees per meter along with the set. Costlier fabric, if you require, they are available on demand and on order. So extra payment you can make, or you can provide your own choice color. You can get it from the local showroom and provide it to us. About the cushion part, the cushion we use is 40 density PU foam. 40 density is not very hard, not too soft. What happens is, if you get very soft cushion, let's say a membrane foam, they tend to go right inside when you sit on it. Now I'm sitting here and you can see I'm not going right inside the unit. My knees are straight, my back is straight, and I'm sitting in a comfortable position. If I have to get up from here, let's say I'm getting here. Let's see again, I'm sitting like this and I'm getting like this. There are very less pressure on the knees. But if I am right inside the unit, let's say this is the position when I'm getting inside the unit, then I have to push myself up, a lot of pressure on knees, and then I have to push myself up to get out of the unit. That is not a very comfortable position, not a very comfortable situation when you are sitting on a sofa. Our kind of units are more for the luxury look, the royal look. And with the royal look, if you go for too much comfort, like getting inside, or too much variation in the cushion, the luxury look gets away. Let's take an example of a bean bag. A bean bag is considered to be very comfortable. You can move it this way, that way. You can stretch it, you can push it inside. But that doesn't make the luxury look. That's just a comfortable sitting unit. Our units are royal. They are expensive. They are not cheap furniture that is available everywhere in a shed or a local store. Made of teak wood. They last for years and years, very durable, and I must say the unit should be a lifetime. It should be there for a lifetime. And when we are thinking about such kind of units, we have to look for everything, not just comfort, but the looks, the design, the fabric, the colors, everything. Now, along with this set, we have a center table. This is 4 feet by 2.5 feet wide. A nice looking table, again in off-white color, the ivory color. And this would require a glass on top of it. Or you can place a marble or a granite or an onyx. There is space inside. It just fits right in and the table is ready for use. Similar design side tables we have is 24 inches square, height is 21 inches. Side tables are a little higher than the normal tables. The table is 18 inches high, this is 21 inches, around 3 inches higher than the center table. Again for the table, let's talk about the table concept also. When you have such a big set, obviously one table won't suffice. Now, as I'm putting it here, you can see the distance between the chairs, and this chair won't cater to the people sitting at that place. Now, what's the alternate? First alternate is we get a bigger table. I won't recommend a bigger table, reason being, Bigger tables get difficult to move. They have got weight, and very big tables are very difficult to move. Sometimes you have to clean it, the area underneath, or you have to remove the carpet, or for whatever reason, if you have to move it, it gets very difficult. But again, even getting a bigger table won't serve all the people. So how we set up the table? Either we get two tables, one table that side, one table this side, or the side tables also works very well along with the set. We can keep a side table in middle of the two chairs, and that serves both the people. So they can, if we have this table, let's say this table is right here in the middle, and I'm sitting here, the chair is on the other side. So I'm sitting here, I can keep my cup here and my the snacks whatever I want, and it's easily accessible also rather than that table. So setup we can discuss. You can give us a blueprint of your place, and we can give you the setup how it can work, it should work. Otherwise, your architects and interior designers are very good judge about this. They can let you know how to work on this. Design, color, fabric, the number of seats, table choice, everything is as per your choice and requirement. We do not push, we do not make anything from our side. This set is going to New Delhi, the capital of India, and we deliver everywhere across India. We also deliver out of India to most of the countries, and if you're looking for something, you can contact us and we'll let you know how it works. For the pricing, you can visit our website. There are hundreds of sets I've shown you there, the actual sets, not just the catalog pictures, the actual units with the designs and the work. And more videos you can check on YouTube. We have close to 550 videos now. A lot of stuff explained in detail, the colors, the variation, everything. What happens is when we have a big living room and we are putting the entire unit, let's say in the middle, where you have access from all sides, or you can see the set from all sides. In that case, we can provide double carving, as you can see here. Just like we have carving on the front, we have carving on the back of the unit as well. And it looks very beautiful to have something like this. Here, in this case, as you see, the three-seater is going towards the wall. So even if you want something like this setup, that the three-seater or the thing that is going towards the wall requires to be a single carving setup, that can be done. So a three-seater can be single carved and chairs can be dual carved as per your choice. Dual carving or single carving, how it works, how you want it. Again, we can discuss this and we can let you know how it works. If you have any questions, you are most welcome to ask us in the section below. In comments, you can post your comments, your feedbacks. This is hand carving, work of artisans, not major machines used. Normal cutting machines and chisels and all these machines are used to make these kind of units. The quilting again is done by hand. The cushion work, the paint, everything is hand done with small tools, small machinery, of course. I hope you like this. I request for a few comments of yours. Let us know how we are doing. Thank you.